Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Hello guys, in this video you are able to learn repair and replace damaged rotor disc. As you can see, this damage is caused by unattended and continuous use of totally worn brake pads. In Philippines, the cost of this part is more or less 2,500 for disc and more or less 700 pesos for replacement brake pads. If this damage has happened to your car, you can go to your trusted mechanics or simply get in touch with my channel.
Now, I am grateful that you are continue watching my simple video tutorial. My advice is simply touch the subscribe button to get updated every time. If you are in good mood, it's cool, it's more blessings come into you. Thankfully, if you click the notification bell, can you please? This video is for those beginners and future automotive mechanics someday. So continue and have patience. You are currently helping my channel to pursue my dream of building a training center for those kids that are interested in such skills. Thank you for the support.